It's time for another Dollar Tree project, so let's get started.
Okay, for this project, you're going to need 2 embroidery hoops. I'm actually just using the inner ring of the hoops, and you need one that's larger than the other, so you have one that's slightly smaller. First thing we're going to do is add some glue on the outside of the inner ring. And then we're just going to go ahead and attach it there. Next, you're going to need a Dollar Tree mop, or you can use white yarn. All I had was a mop on hand, so I'm using this. You're going to go ahead and take out the mop pieces one by one, like this. Once you have the mop pieces separated, you're going to go ahead and start gluing them all the way around. So you're just going to start the end there, and then you're going to add some glue along the edge, and then wrap the yarn around it. Okay, once you've gone all the way around to make it like a crescent moon, we're going to use the black yarn for the last bit here. Okay, next we're going to add some Dollar Tree lights. And what you're going to do is you're going to try to tuck the lights in, kind of blend them in with the yarn all the way around. Next, I'm going to add these little paper plastic type bats. I'm just going to glue them all the way around. And that's it. Now you have a moon-shaped wreath with some bats, and most of these items you can find at Dollar Tree. And I hope you like this project. Be sure to like and follow for more.